Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Payoneer to Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now Payoneer is the best way to receive payments from Amazon affiliate program. Now what you guys need to do is you want to search for Amazon associate on Google so that you can like link your Payoneer account to Amazon associate. Now as you can see guys, click on the first results here where it says amazon.com associate. It's going to take you guys directly to your Amazon associate. Now what you guys need to do is you want to click here where it says Gmail here in the top right. You want to click on account settings. Okay, so after guys you click on account settings, you want to click here it says change payment method. Okay, so make sure that here in the payment and tax section, as you can see tax information, you want to click on change payment method. Now after guys you are on this page, they will ask you guys for a password. Okay, so just enter here your password and click on sign in. Okay, so that's the first step. Now they will send me a security code. I'm going to add it here and come back to the video. Okay guys, so next thing you need to do guys is you want to click here this plus button here next to bank account. You want to click on that. Now here what you guys need to do is you want to click on here it says add a new bank account. Now I already have added a bank account to receive payments or payouts from Amazon. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can do that yourself. Just click, like I said, you want to click on add new bank account. Now what you guys need to do is you want to go to your Payoneer account. Now that's what I'm going to do right now. You just need to log in into your Payoneer account and you want to get the bank account information from Payoneer. Now how you can do that? It's very simple. Just click here it says bank accounts here in the left. You want to click on bank accounts and then you want to click on the receiving accounts. Okay, so after that guys, you want to scroll down and you want to click on USD or based in USA bank account. After that you want to copy this bank name, which is First Century Bank, and you want to go back to Amazon and enter it here. Now the bank name here is First Century Bank, and the routing number, which is this, just copy the routing number and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to add here the routing number, and here the account number is this, just copy it and paste it here. And here the account type, which is checking. Okay, the account type here is checking, and the bank currency is of course US dollars. And here the name of your Payoneer account here, I'm going to paste it here and then confirm the account number, which is this, and then paste it here. After that you want to click on save changes. Now you have successfully added the bank account. Now the payment will go to your bank account automatically, but keep in mind that you are not going to be paid every month. So like Amazon affiliate program pays every 2 months, like depends on the commissions on your depends on how how many people purchase the products through your affiliate link that month. Okay, so it's like what you make this month, you will not get paid for it until the next month. Okay, that if that makes sense. So that's exactly how this whole thing works guys. Okay, so hopefully this one helps. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial.